This video will show how to calculate payday accrued salaries using a function. This function will take in the number of days needed calculated, the salary per day, and the number of employees. I will run this function now. We get accrued salary, adjusted payable. We get actual salary for the period, and the next regular payday. I will show you how to make this function. In this example of salaries, the accrued salary is 3 days. Payday is on October 26th, a Friday. October 29th, 30th, and 31st are the adjustment period. Next payday is on November 9th, a Friday. Start of pay period is October 15th. Number of employees is 4. Salary per 5-day work week is $500 or $100 a day. We need to find the accrued salaries for 3 days. Here's a calendar showing October, November. Start of pay period is on the 15th. Paydays are on October 26th and November 9th. Adjustment period we care about October 29th, 30th, 31st. The days between the periods that we need to account for are 16th to the 19th, 29th, 31st, as well as November 1st, 2nd, and 5th to the 8th. That is 13 days. Let's create a function to calculate. Let's create accrued salaries function now. Salary per day, employees, days between pay period, accrued salary is days times salary per day times employees. The adjusted balance is the salary per day times days between pay period times the employees. Salaries expense is the 7 days times salary per day times employees. Pay is salaries expense plus accrued salary. Let's run our code. Days, we want 3 days. Salaries per day is 100. Employees, 4. Days between the pay period, that's 13. You get accrued salary, adjusted payable of $1,200. Actual salary expense, oh, there's a typo. Actual salary expense for pay period is $5,200. Next regular payday is $4,000.